Hello everyone. Our today's topic is based on various trends of mobile computing. Means a mobile computing trends, where it is used nowadays, and what are advantageable of this in various areas where we use the mobile computing. In previous topic, we will discuss about what is mobile computing, and now we will discuss about the evolution era of mobile computing. And our last topic of this section is that is various trends of mobile computing. So discuss here we can see that a mobile computing trends in a phone subscribers also. This figure you can predict from this figure is about that a unique mobile subscriber are here around in the last 2018 to 2008 to 2013. 7.7% evolution is here of mobile subscriber means this increment is in these areas are here, but after that the increasing of mobile subscriber is minimum 3.5%, but you can see that the area is divided into various sections. This is minimum because a mobile demand is in 2008 is just for calling purposes and we send a camera purpose is solved here. After that 2008 to 2013 up to this area, this stage, you can see that there 1398 we count a unique mobile subscriber for a particular organization, a particular system, but after that the increment is only 4334 values. So means the 3.5% involution is here. I mean a trend is increasing in 2008 a very huge, but a phone subscriber trend is decreasing nowadays. But what trend they require? Means a calling is not a solution. So there is to increase the trend of the mobile computing, we can adopt a smartphone, we can increase the technology, we can change the technology platform. So they change the technology platform by adding a shopping parameters. By adding shopping parameters, nowadays we can see that 82% of the smartphone users turn off their devices to help them to make a product decision. Means they use their product, they use their smartphone for identify of various products. So, selling of product or purchasing of product, we can use our smartphones. Means with the help of mobile phones we can check various products are. So nowadays Google applications like Google crowdsourcing, or we can say the Google crowdsourcing plus a Samsung application is a Blue Axion is available. These applications are used for to identify a user that okay, this is your requirement, this is searched by a user, or we can identify the user experience about our smartphone. Means you can see that with the help of we can explain with the help of example. For example, you search for an Amazon. On Amazon you can search for any bag, like we required a laptop bag here. When you select any laptop bag, or you just seeing for that laptop bag or just searching for that, after that you don't purchase that product. But sometime when you go for Facebook or any social media website, that bag image is available on this page on your login ID. Means this fetch a user interest. This is called a digital marketing purpose. A trend is latest here we can market our product with the help of this. Means a user interest is fetched by you by shopping website, and they search for 82% your data will be fetched by this, and they display it at the various platform. After that sometime you'd see that ki yeah, I can purchase it. So the user their requirement is fulfilled and your requirement is also fulfilled. This is advantage. And next trend is that is we discuss is in the smartphone area. A smartphone area of operating system, in smartphone operating system trend is increasing day by day. Before that Android, not in any Hume, we use a BlackBerry system. You can see that the Android BlackBerry marking of this pie chart with the help of various parameters. China April 2015, a US April 2015 categories fetched from a market realist. This is the actual image of a market strategy. You can see this Android, Blackberries, operating systems like Windows and others. They use a different demanding. You can see the huge demand is of this blue line area, that is Android, and that is green area is that is iOS. That is iOS operating system used in your iPhone applications, and this is your for Android application. Android area is used in various type of mobile operators like Nokia's, Samsung, and others like Mi, Redmi, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, these all using a this Android applications, Android operating system, and only Apple is using iOS, and other like BlackBerry systems are using BlackBerry applications, and other Windows application in Windows phone like Nokia's Windows phones are using Windows application. Others like various Symbians, these are various operating system are here. In next video tutorial, we will discuss about these all various operating system, mobile operating systems like Windows, Symbian, and these in detail. So you can see here that trend is going on and on. In 2015, you can see the USA trend is on or totally based on again Android. iOS users are lesser, and you can in China you also see that the iOS users are lesser, only a Android user are more. So you can see that we can realize the trends also. But this is not that where trend is going on, that product is usable more and more, that is a better one. But on the basis of various parameter also, on the basis of various cost parameter, various quality parameter, we can examine this. The user can use iOS because it is a secure one. It is a but the drawback is it is a costlier one. iOS operating system is installed on that devices which are very costlier. For Android is installed on that device that are very not a costlier, that are easy to purchase. So this is huge demandable. So this is the trend in mobile computing. Next we will discuss about a application trend. You can see a various iOS application statistics here. Various 100 billions of applications are designed. 1.5 million apps or app store are available. Downloaded for operating system user. 80-50 of apps are downloaded per second. Means a trend's going on. If you want any type of application, you can easily search on a Play Store or iOS Play Store, a smartphone Play Store, and a Samsung Play Store. Mean in these trends are increasing. Mean user requirements are fulfilled by these applications. If you want to scan any image, a image scanner is here. If you want to text to speech, the text to speech applications are here. What type of your requirement is there? Because there are lots of tools are available for video tutorials or various animation tutorials are also available like Byju's. You can see that the small children that are play students are also go through these applications. Means there are various applications are available now. There are trends in application in mobile computing increasing day by day. So let's discuss about the trends for students. What are trend for students is increasing. You can see that near all students text everybody. I mean before the advancement of our 4G network or 3G network, before that we use the text services for communication. And text services nearby all students use a text every day. They text to each and everyone. And a 94% we survey that 94% of the student use a text services. So by increasing the text services every day, the mobile trend is increasing. They see that the user demanding a text services. So WhatsApp is here. A WhatsApp text services is here. Again, various messenger services are here. So they are again a student advancement trending. And next trending in the student is that is much more than make calls every day. Means what you use much calling is performed by a student or not. Yes, student also text more and also calling more. So 73% of the world around we can see that 73% are using a calling stage of this mobile phones also. So the various services of mobile phone using mobile calling data is limited rate is provided to you. This is also done before this, no? And in the next trend we see is that the tech addiction. Many students experience it. Yes, we can addict to some application. If you want any type of material or PPTs discussed in your classroom, you don't write it on your pad or you write it on your writing pad. You simply click it. We can, sir, we can click this image. Obviously, yes. So this is the easiest platform, but a drawback is that we can addict to this mobile application. We will lose our humanality is that we will not write anything on our paper. We will go lazier day by day. We're addicted to this. We can use it addicted to a social networking site. We are addicted to a social site like TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp. We can addicted to this. This is again a drawback. Yes, the 60% of the world around is addicted to students are addicted to this sites also. So next about student trends in majority of students our survey as use a smartphone. Yes, 57% of the students nowadays or school area is also using a smartphone. This survey is based on the school students. School students up to a 10th or plus 2 students are also using a smartphone. 57% of the family are using providing a mobile phone to their students or their child. And iPhone and Android are neck and neck for the top spot. Yes, 42% of the students says we use iPhone. and 43% using Android, and 12% BlackBerry, and 2% are Windows. Means iPhone and Android are the various neckbones of our technology trend, and lots of advancement in this, and everyone using students using these two platforms only. And next is nearly all smartphone owner use for social networking. Obviously, yeah, that is Facebook area. Means lots of the student are using a smartphone for their only social networking site. They don't search for a very video tutorial list. Not such all using for this. In every smartphone, mainly a 97% of student smartphone using a Facebook. We can survey this also. This is again a trends, a social networking trends. But luckily, cheating on a phone is rare. Yes, by cheating with the phone is rare nowadays in a trend's latest trend, because 13% rate is here, because your EMI is traceable, your MAC address is traceable, everything will be traceable, your location is traceable, so you can't access or can't go for any type of cheating in the mobile area network. So this is all about the various trends that can you can adopt it for mobile computing. Our today's topic is based on the mobile computing trends. So this is all about this. We discuss with in the phone subscriber increasing trends, shopping trends, smartphone operating system latest trends, application trends, and student life trends. So this is all about this. If you have having problem or any issue regarding this tutorial, you can comment me on my YouTube channel tutorial box, or otherwise you can WhatsApp me personally. So thank you guys, have a nice day, hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you.